Still pressing buttons and hoping for the best? You're not alone, but your Midea remote can do so much more. Stick around, because in just minutes, you'll unlock features that can make your AC smarter, quieter, and more efficient. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Paradigm Cooling YouTube channel, where we keep you cool, comfortable, and in control. If you're using a Midea air conditioner, this video is going to change how you use it. Today, we're diving into the functions and features of the Midea remote controller, from the basics to the hidden settings you probably didn't know existed. Let's start with the essentials. The power button is right up top. That's your master switch. Next, you've got mode, cycle through cool, dry, heat, and fan functions. Then there is Midea's patented breeze functions. Choose between breezeless, breeze away, and breeze mild modes, which control the system's airflow for the ultimate experience of comfort. The up and down arrows increase or decrease the temperature setting in increments of 0.5 degrees Celsius or 1 degree Fahrenheit. By holding the up and down arrow buttons for 3 seconds, you can alternate the temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. The set button toggles between active clean, sleep, follow me, and wireless control modes. The OK button is used to confirm your selection. The timer button is used to set the timer to turn the unit on or off. The fan speed button allows you to increase the system's fan speed from auto in increments of 20% until you reach 100% of the fan's maximum speed. You can also use the up and down arrow keys to increase or decrease the fan speed in 1% increments. The LED button turns the LED display and air conditioner buzzer on and off. The Eco Gear button allows you to set the system in Eco mode, which automatically sets the system to 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fan speed on Auto or Gear mode, where the system can either run on 75% or 50% of its normal energy consumption. The Cool or Heat Flash function button allows you to heat or cool the room in a short time. The Swing button starts and stops the horizontal louver movement. Hold the button down for 3 seconds to initiate the vertical louver auto swing feature. The Air Magic Plus button is used to start or stop the Air Magic and UV lamp function. Now, for a bonus tip, hold down the Cool Heat Flash and Air Magic buttons for 5 seconds to lock the controller's keyboard. If you want to unlock the keyboard, just hold them down for 2 seconds to regain its full functionality. That's a full breakdown of your Midea remote controller. Now you're not just pressing buttons, you're making smart choices to stay comfortable, save energy, and get the most out of your system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a tip from Paradigm Cooling. Got questions about your remote or want us to cover a specific feature? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay cool.